Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork ribs in an air fryer. First, prepare your ribs by cutting a full rack into 2 or 3 smaller sections, ensuring they fit well. Next, remove the thin membrane from the back of the ribs for a more tender bite. Finally, generously apply your preferred dry rub to all sides, making sure they are fully coated for maximum flavor. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place the seasoned rib sections in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook them for an initial 20 minutes, then gently flip each piece over to ensure even cooking. It's time to add that delicious sauce. After flipping, generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce onto both sides of the ribs. Return the sauced ribs to the air fryer and continue cooking for an additional 10 to 15 minutes at the same temperature. This allows the sauce to caramelize beautifully and the ribs to become wonderfully tender. Almost ready to enjoy. Once cooked, remove the ribs from the air fryer and let them rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period helps keep them juicy. Then, slice the ribs between the bones into individual portions. Serve your perfectly air-fried pork ribs immediately and savor every tender, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.